Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out here Sunday morning at the Thunder Roadhouse Cafe and Off-Track Betting right here. Let me show you where I'm located right here. I'm right here on Memorial and Eskridge Drive. That's where I'm located right here. All right, let's continue on, shall we? I stopped here. I'm going to start right here on this little bug right here. Ooh, look at this, sweet. I love these V8s. Brother Houston! Brother Houston!
But you don't see many trucks like that one, do you?
Are you going to give me a cold start?
I can.
Let me get behind it if I can get the sound.
It's got supposed to have a Corvette tune on it.
Really? Let me get
That's what I'm
let me get that sound, brother. I gotta get that sound.
It's not like it is, I can tell you.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Hold on, bro. You know I gotta get a cold start, brother B. You know me, brother. There you go.
It's got a little rumble.
I got rumble to it. It ain't earth shaking like that wipe when he started that wiping behind you, brother B. Ooh, that thing is nasty.
Oh yeah,
That Camaro, he did me a cold start. That thing is nasty. How you doing, brother?
Doing good, man.
You ain't filming?
I just got here.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
I was talking to that guy with the Okla.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, he got my truck so many times. I don't even think he needs to know.
Oh, you know this brother right here? You know?
I
Yeah.
just need him. How you doing, buddy? Good.
What's your name, sir?
I saw a truck just like
Mitch
this
Phillips.
Michael. Please,
about
yes, sir.
3 years ago, and I almost got it, but I ended up getting a Dodge.
Did you really?
Yeah.
They don't make too many of these.
Yeah.
In fact, I got all the paperwork in the dash that says this is what that is.
This one has skulls and everything all over it. But
Oh,
it,
is that right?
yeah, but it was just like this.
Vortex
I was like,
6000. There you go.
should I get it? And I was like, no. I got to end up getting a work truck, pretty much, and then fixing that up.
Yeah, it's just a Silverado that they just did all the stuff, floored it and everything.
I like you did nothing to it. I like the wheel.
It's just the way it came, except for the bug shield.
Oh, check out this Challenger SRT. That's nice. 392. There you go. That's my brand, Uncle Mike 392. I like it. Let me get the whole thing. Central Oklahoma. What's up? Mobars. Okay, gotcha. Los Angeles, California. There you go. LA. .4 liter, 392. Check that out, man. I'm gonna use this for a thumbnail. That's gonna be a thumbnail. Cause that's my brand, 392.
Let's start at the end and work my way back. Start down here and work.
Yes, sir. I'm glad to see you out here, brother B. So I'm glad to see you out here, brother.
Gotta make it somewhere.
Yes, sir. This is
Cheryl Fulton has.
she had a gold.
It's the Bambaland. Isn't that Cheryl Fulton?
Check out this Mustang on here, guys. Mustang.
Well, they own that one.
I like that.
But she had the first one, she was older, so this is 78, 77, yeah.
That's nice.
And then Crystal got her the new model. Crystal's was blue.
Yeah, see, I remember she wrecked it the first model. It wasn't her fault.
They got some nice cars out here, man. This is where I'm located, guys, right here at Thunder Roadhouse. Out here on Memorial Drive and Estridge Drive. I mean, Memorial and Estridge Drive. I can barely see that street sign. I'm quite a ways from it now. These, I like to let you guys know where I'm located. In case you want to come out here one day. It's Mark 1, man. Check this out. Yo, brother Ben, this your friend's Cadillac, man? Is this is, don't you know this brother, this dude? Oh yeah, I seen this at Coffee and Cars out there.
Yeah, it's probably somewhere around here.
Yeah. Check this Cadillac out, y'all. Trans Am over here. Let's get some details on it, shall we? About 40 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna meet my family later. Yeah, we're gonna go out later. So I told him I was gonna do this and I'd be home before 11. I told I'd be home around about 11. That's why I came a little early. When I came early, man, there was a whole lot of cars out here. When I got here early, it was already out here, man. Say, brother, how does it sound, man? I gotta get a cold start. Can I please get a cold start, man? I love these Command Firebirds, man. Can I hear it, brother? What's this, your umbrella?
You here?
I'm getting a cold start, guys, for you guys on this Trans Am. Get this one next to me. Give me one. Got it. I just want to hear what it sounds like, man. What size engine you got in here? 301. 301? Okay. There you go. There you go. 301 Trans Am. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. My man out here did detailing this Corvette, man. It's hot as hell out here. He out here detailing this thing. Shit. What time is it? It is 9:30. He out here detailing. Look at it. He into it too. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
How you doing?
Great.
All right.
Nice day for a car show.
Yes, sir. Look at this beautiful thing, man. All right, what's going on here? See what we got over here. There he is. I just seen you yesterday, brother.
Yeah.
Glad to see you again.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. Where's your truck at? Where's your truck? Where's it
It's
at?
over in the other lot.
That's all right. I'll go. Yeah, you know I'm gonna film you. I filmed you yesterday. I got to get you today too.
It's over across the street.
Oh yeah. It says do not touch.
Huh?
Don't touch it. See?
Yeah.
You like that, don't you? This is a 1932 Ford Victoria. Who's the owner?
It looks just like the one over there.
Does it?
How you doing that from? Your knees replaced yet?
Clouds up there.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
I wouldn't really call them a cloud.
Still showing 50% chance of rain.
Well, I'm prepared.
I'm gonna put this on 5 different formats. YouTube, I got YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and it's this new one, Snapchat. It ain't just going. It's not only just going on YouTube. It's going.
Yeah, he needs some advertising.
Can I please hear it, please? Can I hear it? Can I hear it?
Hear it run?
Yeah, please. I don't get to hear something just like this every day. You know. 32 Vicky. All right, guys, we're gonna get a call start on this 32 Vicky.
Get the key in it.
Okay. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yes, sir. Is this the name of the artist on that name?
It is.
What's his name?
I can't remember what it is. He's out of California.
That's where I'm from. I'm from California. I'm from Santa Barbara.
He, I tried looking him up. I think they said he retired.
When I get home, I'm gonna put it on my big screen. When I edit, I'm gonna see if I can find it.
Okay.
Yeah, he did a beautiful job. He painted the whole thing.
He did the pinstripe.
Oh, the pinstripe. Okay, he didn't do the. He just did the pin. Okay, gotcha. Understood. I appreciate you, sir. Thank you. Thanks. That's my channel if you want to see it. Uncle Mike 392. Yes, sir. Ooh. Man, they got some nice cars out there. Good morning, sir.
Howdy, howdy.
Check that out, guys. Look at that detail. Look at that. That's detail right there. I like that. Got a Chevelle back here. What's going on, Airborne?
Hey, buddy, what's up?
I'm doing all right. Where you car at, man?
Right over there.
Okay, well, you know I'm gonna put you on. I got you in a lot of my videos. Good to
Oh,
see
yeah.
you. Good to see you, brother.
You doing all right?
Doing fine, brother. Thank you. Yes, sir. Have you been to the new Remington Park where they got cars and coffee?
Yeah,
Are you gonna go?
yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be the big one. August the 5th is because they're having an anniversary.
Oh,
so
yeah.
It's gonna be huge, man.
Yeah, I bet it will be.
Excuse me, sir. $383. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. All right, I'm gonna stop on this. Start another video, guys. I'm at 14 on this one, so. All right, guys, this is Uncle Mike 392, and I'll see you guys on the other side later.